and then we go. Just having some lunch. It's actually about 1:30, so and I think the clouds are even lifting. It's getting brighter as we go up the mountain here, so this is good. Just like that. Yeah, that was not a bad day riding, considering I texted you at like 7:45 this morning.
Yep.
Carter lives like about an hour away from where I live, and he was gonna come hang out for the day anyway, but I texted him this morning. I was like, hey, do you want to go sledding? And yeah, you were game, so we made it out and got a bit of a later start, but I mean, it's all good.
Yeah.
So yeah, I made it to the mountain around 20 after 11 and went for the afternoon, which is a ton of fun. The snow was awesome today, and yeah, so anyway, that's it for today's video, I guess, considering it's dark and we're filming with night vision. And if you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Thank you for subscribing, and yeah, more videos to come. We're gonna be, I at some point would love to go riding out towards Revelstoke again this year. Get into some bigger mountains, get the drone out. I think that would be really awesome. So make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, and enjoy the videos, everyone. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Subscribe.